You're watching the Daily Market Comment for Wednesday, January 26th by Raf Buyajian. I'm Christina Marujos, and thank you for joining us here at xm.com. All eyes are on the Fed today as investors search for some much-needed policy guidance. The FOMC decision itself, due at 7 o'clock GMT, is not expected to spark any fireworks, though there's a small risk the Fed might decide to end its asset purchases even earlier. Chair Powell's press conference 30 minutes later will be the main highlight, as markets will try to get a sense of how fast policymakers want to move in terms of normalizing policy. Powell will likely give his blessing to the fully priced rate hike in March, and as there is no dot plot chart at the January meeting, Powell's tone will be very important in dictating sentiment. Should he signal that more than one rate hike per quarter might be needed to fight inflation, that could send stocks spinning again. The Bank of Canada will announce its decision a few hours before the Fed and may opt to get a head start on rate increases. With a strong labor market and inflation at a 30-year high in Canada, a surprise rate rise is more than possible, though it's questionable whether the Canadian dollar will be able to gain much when a rate hike is about 80% priced in. The dollar index is currently trading near two-week highs, climbing back above the 96 level and awaiting fresh direction from the Fed. The yen, however, gave up some of its recent gains as safe haven flows eased somewhat amid no fresh escalation in the standoff between Washington and Moscow over Ukraine. In equity markets, most stocks were in the green, though some Asian markets remained under pressure. European shares opened strongly higher despite another wild session on Wall Street on Tuesday. U.S. stocks fell at the open, started rebounding in late trading before taking a tumble right before the close. The volatility appears to have settled down, however, after Microsoft cheered markets by predicting its cloud unit will enjoy faster growth in the current quarter, following slightly disappointing growth in the reported period. Nasdaq futures were last quoted up 2%. However, there's plenty of tests to come for the markets, as aside from the Fed meeting, Tesla will announce its earnings after the closing bell. Thank you for watching the Daily Market Comment here at xm.com.